Welcome to SimpleGuider.com, the cleanest buying guide for dishwasher. Dishwasher is probably the most standardized home appliance in terms of dimensions. There are only two sizes for built-in models: 24 inches and 18 inches. The majority of countertop models have dimensions of 22 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 18 inches high. It has also become very hard to differentiate the models from major brands by cleaning performance and energy efficiency. Therefore, the deciding factors are largely about the flexibilities offered by different products. The top 3 flexibility factors in choosing the right dishwasher are: loading flexibility, wash cycle flexibility, and drying flexibility. Loading the dishwasher properly is the most importantly step in achieving good cleaning performance. The loading flexibility features include adjustable racks that move up and down, multiple foldable tines, separate silverware baskets with individual slots, and third upper rack for small kitchen utensils. If you have oversized or unique-shaped utensils, loading flexibility is even more important than loading capacity. The wash cycle flexibilities are not just about light, normal, and heavy. Modern dishwashers have many unique wash cycles. There are express cycle to clean lightly soiled load within 20 minutes. Delicate cycle for glassware. Eco cycle to preserve energy. Single rack cycle if you don't have a full load to clean. Sanitizing cycle to raise water temperature to disinfect the load. Pot scrubber cycle to soak and scrub pots and pans. And a delay cycle to control the starting time. You may not need all these wash cycles. The must-have wash cycles largely depend on your cooking style. Express cycle and single rack cycle are important options if you have a small family or cook lightly. Finally, let's talk about drying flexibility. It's a great feeling to pick up clean, warm, and dry dishes out of the dishwasher and store them directly into the cabinet. Some models use residual heat in the tub to dry the dishes, while others use heater and fan to quickly dry the load. However, be reminded that many high-end European-made models do not even have heat drying function. Drying is a very convenient function, but it also burns more energy. There are a few nice-to-have features worth mentioning. Soil sensor detects the load's soil level, and adjusts the cycle time accordingly. Filters can help capturing the food left on dishes, but they need to be cleaned regularly. Some dishwashers have designated wash zone for heavily soiled items that need a special cycle. Happy shopping! Don't forget to check out the product comparison chart on SimpleGuider.com. You can compare major dishwashers side by side for all the features discussed in this video.